In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a book from the Kindle app on your iPhone. Before we begin, a quick note on what permanently delete means. This action removes the title from your Kindle account entirely, not just from your phone. Once deleted, it won't be available in the cloud on any device, and you may need to buy it again if it was a purchased book. If you only want to free up space on your phone, consider removing it from the device instead. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and safely. Start by opening the Kindle app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where the book is stored. If you manage multiple profiles or accounts, double-check at the top of the library screen that you're in the right one to avoid deleting the wrong item. Next, go to the Library tab using the bottom menu. This is where all your titles live. At the top of the screen, tap the Downloaded filter. This filter shows only the books that are currently stored on your phone, which makes it easier to target the exact file you want to remove and prevents you from accidentally selecting a title that's only in the cloud. Find the book you want to delete and press and hold its cover. Keep your finger on it for a moment until a pop-up menu appears. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct title. From the pop-up menu, choose Permanently Delete. You may be prompted to confirm this action. Read the confirmation message carefully, since this choice removes the title from your account and all devices. If you proceed, the book will disappear from your downloaded list, and typically from your entire library. If it still appears briefly, pull down to refresh the library, or make sure you're connected to the internet so the change can sync across devices. A couple of helpful tips as you finish up. If your goal is just to save storage space, look for an option like Remove from Device instead, which keeps the title in your cloud library so you can re-download it later. If you don't see Permanently Delete in the menu, the feature may vary by title type or app version. You can also use Amazon's Manage Your Content and Devices on the web to permanently remove items. Finally, keeping your Kindle app updated ensures you see the latest menu options and filters. And that's it. Simple, clear, and done safely.